Hey y'all, this is Niqkle, and I have a 3D printing video today. I had a gift idea for my sister who's a gamer like me. She has a lot of Nintendo Switch games, so I thought I would make something to hold her games. Since it being a Nintendo Switch, why not pick something from the Nintendo universe? So I start with my design when I find a picture of a Thwomp. That's the guy that drops from the ceiling. Then I go to Autocad and start working it from there. I also have to get measurements of the Nintendo Switch cartridges so they have enough room to fit into slots. After that's done, I export my file and then start and bring it over to my 3D printer. I have a CR-10 V2 Creality printer. I use PLA filament. It took about 3 days to print both pieces, top and bottom, but I think it came out pretty good. There was this one part I forgot to measure, so to fix it I used a wood filler to fill in the gaps. Also I used the wood filler on the top to make it look a little more rocky. So this is my first time airbrushing. I definitely had some lessons learned while doing the process. Let things dry completely. That's one of them. Especially before putting on the next set of masking tape. Here's a little clip of me taking off some of this masking tape. There's a lot of it. And as you see, I'm peeling it off. You're starting to see the greatness come together. Here are some shots of the final product. But remember, this is a GIF. So here's that reveal footage. By the way, like and subscribe. What you got there?
I don't know. What I got here?
From, you know, it says to you from me. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it looks so good. Oh man.
Pretty cool.
And my gamer tag. Okay, what game? Let's see. All right. Okay.
Zelda.
All right. Zelda.
Yeah.
Breath of the Wild.
Yeah. No,
Nice.
no Nintendo collection. What's it say?
Here, let me show you. Oh.
Okay, gotcha.
Thanks.
Thwomp, designed and created by Niqkle, you know, 3D printed by Niqkle, painted by Niqkle, which I'm kind of terrible at painting, but I did what I could.
Looks real good. Oh my god, this is amazing.
Next version be good, and then got your letters there.
Yeah, my Final Fantasy 14 character's name.
Zephanaria Yokaze. Yep.
Well, thank you so much.
Heck yeah. Now you can stunt. Gotta make sure you gotta put it up.
Oh, yeah. I know. I'll probably take this and show everyone at the birthday thing.
Yeah. Let me get the front view of that thing again.
Oh, okay.
Woohoo! Oh, let me actually take a picture. Alrighty. That came out so good that I added, decided to design one for myself, but I added more slots to it. My gamer name is just Niqkle. I don't have a last name. So at the bottom I have like an outline of Yoshi because he's my favorite character in the Nintendo universe. So yeah, I can't wait to airbrush this thing and get it going. I'll probably post it on Instagram or something. But yeah, that's probably it for this video. Until the next one, peace.